What's up, everybody? Two mostly bald guys here. Today we've got a brushgaurd bumper from Super ATV. That's what it says. It's from Super ATV brushgaurd with winch mount.
Front winch mount.
Yeah, front winch mount. Sorry. Anyways, it's a for a 2019 Kawasaki Teryx 4. I'm stepping on shit. Anyways.
It's dirty because the owner doesn't know how to wash it whenever he brings it over.
Yeah.
Yeah, right there. Yeah.
So, anyways, there's the bumper over there, over in that mess.
There's a tree.
He has a plow. It does not fit with this bumper, so we have to remove his plow mount on the bottom there. We've already got the bumper off, but it's super easy. I'll show you where it mounts. All right. So here's the bumper pieces. This is your lower mount. Or lower part of the bumper. There's your upper. This is your hoop. This is your left and right support. And then this is for, so it's got flush mount spots for flush mount LEDs. So you can put those in there. We don't have any, so we're not doing that part. And these brackets are supposed to mount to the back of the light or something into the bumper to help support it. So now we're going to go ahead and put it together. Alright, so unfortunately we already have the bumper off. So I'll just show you where the bolt holes are to take your bumper off. You've got one here, if you can see that, and then you've got one here. And this is where your bumper mounts on both sides, same spot. So we've already got that done. I've got to remove his snow plow mount, which is on the bottom here, because it won't work with the bumper. So we're going to go ahead and take that off, and then we're going to get back to putting that thing together. Alright, so normally you can mount your winch here. He pulled it up here to keep it out of the mud and everything, and it worked better with his plow. Well, with the new bumper, it needs to be up here to be able to use over here this hole for the winch. Or if you're not going to use there and not mount it up on top, like I showed you over there, you can mount it right here. Alright, so since we're using this hole, we got to take this plate off. So you've got some, looks like 10mm back here, so we're going to get those removed and get it ready to start assembling the bumper on the Teryx. Alright, so we got the lower part of the bumper, we've got the plow mount off. I'm going to take this and I'm going to slide this over that. Make sure you get your we got to line the holes up.
You got to pull it back a little bit. There you go.
Is it the hole?
Yeah, that one's started.
All right. We got the bolt in the other side.
And it's the 1.25.
And you're probably going to have to adjust it, so I would just run them in to where you can still move the bumper.
Yeah, hand tight. Everything just kind of hand tight.
All right. All right. So to your bumper, there is a 1.5 bolt that goes and holds your left or right support, whichever way you're looking at the machine, with a nut. So 1.5 here. 1.25 goes into your machine here and here on both sides. So these two are 1.25, 1.5 bolt on this. Same on both sides. So we're going to go ahead and put that. We'll be right back.
Yeah.
What are you guys talking about over there?
Oh, yeah. About the lights. Oh, yeah. Is he recording?
Yeah.
What a motherfucker.
Anyways.
Pause.
I'm going to leave it in there. So we've got everything tight. We pushed the bumper back and tightened it up. That way if he rams into something, it's going to be rigid and not slide back on the brackets. So that's all done. That shows you how it's hooked up. Now it's time for the upper part of the bumper.
Do we put the upper on first, or do we put the hoop on?
We do the upper.
We do the upper?
You can edit it out. You can edit that shit, can't you?
Good.
Go. Okay. So now that we've got all that done, now we're going to put the upper part of the bumper on. There is these tabs back here with welded nuts on them. They take the M10 150s So we're gonna go ahead and slide this on, and we have to get it from the back. Anyways, it's tight, but these are the holes right here. So go ahead and put that on, and we can mount. Well, from back here, we can thread it in those M10 150s. So we'll go ahead and get that going.
I guess so.
All right. So now you're gonna take 4. What are these ones? M10
150s.
No, they're just 50s, right? 150s. I don't know. Anyways, you're gonna take these. You have 4 of them. One here, one here, one here, and one here. And you're gonna run those in. Wrong way. Yeah, bloopers. All right. This is not the next step, but I've been itching to put these damn things on. These D-rings.
Yeah, I know.
And they just go in there. Wrong way. Because I can. They just thread into each other.
Are you recording?
Mm-hmm. All right. After I get these on, I'm gonna go ahead and put the hoop on. Where's that? Over there.
We'll be right back.
All right. The next part's the hoop. Facing out. The holes won't line up if you have it going in towards the hood. And then you use. Start grabbing for me.
Bolts. M10 25, or I'm sorry, M8 25s. So you're gonna drop these down through here, both of them. You might as well do both of them. You got your bolt with the nylocks on the inside.
I'm gonna do that side, and I'm gonna do this side. Okay. Then you just put the nuts on the inside, back side of the bumper. And there you go. Now it's done. Now all you gotta do is accessorize it. So Zach, maybe your wife will let you put these, get some of these LED lights and flush mount LED lights. There might be a decorative plate for the outside of that. I don't know.
You got good room here for a light bar.
Yeah.
Y'all are just trying to get him in trouble.
Yeah. You know.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
Did you say pig?
So I'm going to have a link in the description below for this bumper, wherever I find it. And
Adam's got his game face on the whole time.
all right, let's try this again.
Yeah. Super ATV is where there will be a description. Link in the description. Yeah, there we go. For this.
Yeah. Hope you guys liked the video.
Yeah. I don't know. Like, comment, subscribe. Yell at us about cuss words that are in the video now. Anything.
Subscribe.
Do the bell.
Do the bell? Are we going to do the
Yeah.
bell?
Oh yeah, the bell. The
We never
notification.
say anything about the bell.
Yeah. Hey, if you want to get notified for our videos when they get uploaded, make sure you click that bell on the page. It'll notify you. Well, it should. I hear they don't sometimes. So.
Hey, and we need people to follow us on our Facebook page. So, Two Mostly Bald Guys Facebook. Yeah, we just found out.
Now I gotta work.
No, we just need followers. That's all we need on Facebook.
Yeah, get on Facebook. We're on there. There's a link in.
There'll be a link in the description.
Yeah, now there will be. All right, we'll see you guys next week.
Bye.